3, 2. Yo, attention all you credit repair business owners. I'm at the beach today because we got that freedom, knowing that consistent credit repair clients are filling up our funnel and that we have systems in place that are closing these clients. How do we do this, Blade? Well, I spent the last 3 years like a hermit crab networking in my office. What I did is I contacted a bunch of real estate agents, a bunch of car dealerships, and 12 other different sources so that as soon as somebody comes over there, they find out they can't get approved for a loan, that lead is instantly sent to me and my appointment setter. What he does is he sets appointments for me. But Blade, what if these appointment setters what if these people don't answer the call? We got that situated as well. We have an amazing CRM that goes over 8 different campaigns and over 8 different circumstances that could possibly arise. So what we ensure is that we have a 40% appointment rate, and if you don't use appointment rates, if you're just using the CRM, you're gonna have appointments, pre-qualified, scheduled, and confirmed appointments at a rate of 10 to 15%. So guys, I'm gonna go enjoy my day. I'm gonna go back, hop on the beach, hop in the water. If you wanna have a life like this, if you wanna have that freedom in your credit repair business, click the link down below, schedule a strategy session with me, and I'll be more than happy to set this up for you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.